Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Nausheen and I make videos on makeup and skincare. So I came up with this look for this Eid, and I know I am quite late for this tutorial on my channel, but yeah, I didn't get time to shoot and there were some reason, that's why I could not film this video. So yes, if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And yes, so without any further ado and much blabbering, let's jump into the video. So first I'm gonna start my makeup with wiping my face. So I'm gonna wipe my face first. So with this wet wipe, I'm gonna wipe my face. Now I'm gonna moisturize my face using Clean and Clear oil-free moisturizer. Now I'm gonna prime my face using this Maybelline Master Prime Primer. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. I'm gonna blend my foundation using O2O Duo Fiber Beauty Blender. And to conceal my dark circles, I'm gonna use these two concealers and I'm gonna mix them and conceal my dark circles. And with the same concealer, I'm gonna highlight my highest points of my face. And I'm also gonna prime my eyelids for eyeshadows, which is coming up next. Before moving towards eye makeup, I'm gonna fill in my brows using this and this shade from the palette called Bare Necessities from Wet n Wild. And with this pulley, I'm gonna comb my brows. brows are done. Now I'm gonna powder my eyelids so that we start our eye makeup. I'm gonna use this Rimmel Stay Matte powder, compact powder, and just powder my eyelids so that there are no crease or something like that onto my eyelids. First, I'm gonna take this color from the Wet n Wild Bare Necessities palette. And with this MAC palette, I'm gonna go with this pink shade. It's a light pink shade. I'm going to be using this shade and place that onto the inner corners of my eye. Not properly inner corner, but somewhere in between these areas. Now I'm going to be using this area and intensify my outer V. I'm going to be using this shade and place that onto the lid area, half lid area of my eye. You can even go with your finger. Now I'm going to use this shade and highlight my brow bone. And with the same shade, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners as well. Now I'm gonna blend everything using clean blending brush. Now I'm gonna set my face using same Rimmel powder, which is in the shade Warm Beige. For upper lash line, I'm going to use this pen eyeliner. I think it's a wing eyeliner. Though I'm not good with the wing eyeliner, still I tried something different because it's Eid, so that's why I tried something different. So for lower lash line, I'm gonna use NY Bay eyeliner. Um, when I bought this eyeliner, I thought this will be like the product which I regret buying, but it seems that it's not like that. According to the price range, this product is very good. So if you want eyeliner for a low budget, or like you don't want to invest much money on eyeliner, so you can go with this. Now I'm gonna apply blush, and I'm using MAKEIP Blush Duo. And I'm gonna bronze my face using Estee Lauder bronzer. And to highlight my face, I'm gonna use Neon Baked Rouge, and I'm gonna apply onto the cheekbones, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead. That's it. And for lips, I'm gonna use these two lipstick. One is from MAKEIP Silky Creme lipstick in the shade Chocolato. And I'm gonna apply this onto it, that is Wet n Wild Cat Spit lipstick in the shade Nudist Peach. And I forgot lashes, so for lashes I'm gonna use this mascara, which is Wet n Wild mascara. So this is our final look. I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down below what are your views on this look. Tell me your request, I'll do it. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and read my blogs on Blogspot or bloggers.com. So with that, it's a wrap. I will see you soon in my next video, and yes, Eid Mubarak.